What's up, beautiful people? How are you all doing? I hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. If you're seeing this channel for the first time, please kindly subscribe and click on the notification button so whenever I upload any new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Guys, today's video is going to be DIY. We are going to be making sugar scrub pink lips with just 4 ingredients you easily get from your kitchen. Guys, we'll be needing first of all our bowl, yeah. Then you need olive oil. Then you need red food coloring. Then you need vanilla extract just to get that vanilla smell. Then you need sugar. So guys, then you need your container. I have this before, so I will be putting it here. So guys, let's start. First of all, I will be putting 4 teaspoons of sugar. Then we'll be adding a teaspoon of olive oil. Then we mix together. Okay, then we'll be adding just a little bit of vanilla, just a little bit. Okay, then we'll be adding food coloring. I already mixed mine because mine is powder, so I will be adding a little. Depends how you want the color to look like. So guys, you continue mixing. Check it out. This is the color. This is it. And we are done, guys. Then you transfer it to your container. Guys, our lip scrub is ready. Check it out. So guys, this is it. Very easy and very useful, guys. You know, this is winter. You just take it and use it and scrub your lips like that. You know, we are in winter now. In Italy, where I live, we are in winter period now. So you need to be exfoliating your lips. So guys, this is it. I hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share with your family and friends. Till we see in our next video. Bye bye.